Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Concepts. Before I get started, I am not a licensed financial advisor. Anything I say is suggestive and for entertainment purposes only. Trade at your own risk. Okay, so what do we see here? We've got the USD JPY. I am live with Renko Simplified. If you don't know what Renko Simplified is, check out my first video. It gives you more of an idea what it's all about. So going live, I've won my first 2 trades, and each of these boxes is 50 pips. So obviously I won 100 there and I won 100 here on this trade. But the question is there another possible trade here to take when the market opens on Sunday? There is a possibility of a trade, and let me show you what that trade might be. So as you can see, I drew a red line here and also a red line down below. The red line above represents the top of the shoulders. We're looking at a head and shoulders pattern, and the bottom red line would show the neckline. But the problem is with this scenario is we're not overbought here on stochastic. So how is this a possible trade? Well, let's look at it in a different perspective. So we're going to change this to a different value for the boxes. Okay, and we are there finally. Okay, let me go ahead and zoom out for this. Okay, so these are 30 pip boxes. Now this is what changes the perspective. Now at this point, now stochastic is showing oversold. I mean, I'm not saying oversold, overbought, my bad. It's showing overbought. So this might be a good idea to get in for a short, presuming that it's going to complete the head and shoulders pattern. So where would you get in? And providing you got 2 consecutive red bricks, you'd get in at this point here. Presuming it came back from this point where it's at right now, you'd be getting in right here. Okay, so where would you have your take profit? Well, I'd like to get 100 pips if I can. In this case, it'd be 90 because they're 30 pip boxes. So I just go for the 90 pips. You can see here we got 1, 2, 3 boxes here worth of profit. So I figure, if you get 90 pips of profit, that's pretty good. I think a lot of people would be pleased with getting 90 pips of profit. And you don't know what's going to happen here. Maybe the market could come down, maybe it hits your take profit and then bounces right back up and makes new highs. I mean, you just don't know what the market's going to do for sure. Or it could just continue its way down to complete the head and shoulders pattern, and maybe it breaks the neckline and makes new lows. But this is a good possibility right here to take a trade and give it a shot in the other direction, and maybe collect another 90 pips worth of profit. I mean, these are things you're going to have to take a look at and be wary of when you're trading the market. Look for those patterns, look for different structures, order zones, or whatever you call them, support, resistance, order blocks, whatever you want to call them. You want to take a look at all those things, and that way you can make your trades a bit more accurate, and a bit more effective. But this might be a good trade. I'm going to put in a pending order in for Sunday after the market opens for a bit, and see how it goes. And if it just tends to go down in this direction, I'll let you know my results, and I'll post them up here on a video. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Best of luck to your trades out there, and thank you for watching.